Camping inventions that are at another level. Camping is one of the most thrilling ways to disconnect from the hustle and bustle of everyday life and immerse yourself in the great outdoors. But with the advancement of technology, camping has evolved into something more luxurious, convenient, and enjoyable. Imagine having inventions that transform your outdoor adventure into an experience packed with innovation, comfort, and functionality. These camping inventions are truly at another level, making your trips more exciting than ever before. Hitch-Home. The Hitch-Home redefines mobile living for campers. This incredible piece of innovation combines portability and comfort into one compact package. Designed as a towable home, it unfolds into a spacious camping unit with all the essentials you need for a comfortable outdoor stay. From a cozy sleeping area to a functional kitchenette, the Hitch-Home ensures you have the comforts of home, no matter where your journey takes you. Its lightweight design allows it to be easily attached to your vehicle, making it ideal for adventurous spirits who love to roam without compromising on convenience. What makes the Hitch-Home stand out is its thoughtful design. It's packed with space-saving features, such as foldable furniture and hidden storage compartments, allowing you to carry more without cluttering your living area. Additionally, it's constructed with durable, weather-resistant materials to withstand harsh outdoor conditions. Whether you're camping in the mountains or by the beach, the Hitch-Home offers a perfect base camp for relaxation and adventure. GoSun Camp365. The GoSun Camp365 takes camping comfort to a futuristic level. This innovative camper trailer unfolds into a spacious shelter that feels like a portable mini-home. What's unique about it is the integration of solar-powered technology, which provides sustainable energy for your lighting, cooking, and charging needs. With GoSun's renowned solar expertise, you can enjoy off-grid camping while minimizing your environmental footprint. The Camp365 is also highly versatile, featuring an expandable design that maximizes space without adding weight to your vehicle. It comes equipped with a solar oven, a refrigerator, and energy-efficient LED lighting. The materials used are lightweight yet sturdy, ensuring both portability and durability. Whether you're heading to the wilderness or a secluded lakeside, this camper provides everything you need for a self-sufficient and eco-friendly camping experience. Tranandreef. Tranandreef takes the concept of minimalist camping to an artistic level. This tent-like structure combines simplicity and elegance with functionality. Its sleek and aerodynamic design ensures it can withstand harsh weather conditions, from heavy rain to strong winds. Made with high-quality, waterproof materials, Tranandreef offers reliable shelter while maintaining a lightweight and portable form factor, perfect for those who like to travel light. Inside, Tranandreef surprises you with its smart design. It features built-in LED strips for illumination and strategically placed vents for ventilation. Its spacious interior allows for multiple sleeping arrangements, making it ideal for families or groups. The thoughtful inclusion of storage pockets ensures your camping gear is organized and within reach. This invention makes camping comfortable and stylish, giving you a cozy retreat in the heart of nature. PowerFilm LightSaver. The PowerFilm LightSaver is a game changer for those who need reliable power during outdoor adventures. This lightweight, rollable solar panel is designed to provide a portable charging solution for your devices. Whether you need to charge your phone, GPS, or camera, the LightSaver has you covered, ensuring you stay connected even in the most remote locations. The device features a built-in battery that stores solar energy, allowing you to charge your gadgets even when the sun isn't shining. It's crafted with rugged, weather-resistant materials, making it durable enough to endure the challenges of outdoor use. Compact and easy to carry, the PowerFilm LightSaver is a must-have for campers who want a dependable and eco-friendly way to keep their devices powered up. Nomad Grill. The Nomad Grill is the ultimate portable barbecue setup, bringing gourmet cooking to the great outdoors. This compact, foldable grill is designed for maximum portability without compromising on cooking performance. Made with high-quality, heat-resistant materials, it delivers an exceptional grilling experience, whether you're preparing burgers, veggies, or seafood. What sets the Nomad Grill apart is its intuitive design. It unfolds into a full-sized grill in seconds and includes adjustable heat settings for precise cooking. Its lightweight construction makes it easy to carry, while its robust build ensures durability. With the Nomad Grill, you can elevate your camping meals to restaurant-quality feasts, making your outdoor adventures even more memorable. Stoke Voltaic's Electric Kettle. The Stoke Voltaic's electric kettle is a marvel of modern camping technology. This compact and efficient kettle allows you to boil water in minutes, even in the middle of nowhere. Powered by a rechargeable battery, it's perfect for making coffee, tea, or quick meals during your camping trips. Built with portability in mind, the kettle is lightweight and easy to pack. It features an insulated design that keeps your water hot for extended periods, and its durable construction ensures it can withstand outdoor wear and tear. Whether you need a quick camping fix or boiling water for cooking, the Stoke Voltaic's electric kettle makes it convenient and hassle-free. XPR Winter 2. The XPR Winter 2 is a sleeping bag like no other, offering unmatched warmth and comfort for camping in cold weather. Designed with advanced insulation technology, it keeps you warm even in sub-zero temperatures. Its ergonomic shape ensures a snug fit, while the soft inner lining provides a cozy sleeping experience. What makes the XPR Winter 2 special is its combination of functionality and portability. It compresses into a small, lightweight package, making it easy to carry. Additionally, it includes features like a built-in pillow and an adjustable hood for added comfort. Whether you're trekking through snowy landscapes or camping in frosty conditions, this sleeping bag is your ultimate companion. Summit Ridge Dragon V1. The Summit Ridge Dragon V1 is a revolutionary camping stove that combines power with efficiency. This portable stove features a high-performance burner that provides consistent heat, making it ideal for cooking in various outdoor conditions. Its compact design and lightweight construction make it easy to transport, while its robust build ensures durability. The Dragon V1 also includes a wind-resistant feature, allowing you to cook even in breezy environments. It supports a wide range of cooking styles, from boiling water to simmering stews, making it a versatile addition to your camping gear. With the Summit Ridge Dragon V1, you can prepare delicious meals effortlessly, no matter where your adventures take you. Jackery AIR-W. The Jackery AIR-W is a portable solar power generator designed to offer reliable and sustainable energy for a variety of applications. It combines portability, efficiency, and cutting-edge technology, making it a popular choice for outdoor enthusiasts, campers, and those needing a backup power solution. The air in its name highlights its lightweight nature, making it ideal for portability. It is designed to be easy to carry and store, suitable for on-the-go use. This eliminates the need for additional cables and makes charging more convenient. Equipped with multiple output ports, such as USB-C, USB-A, and AC outlets, enabling the charging of a wide range of devices, from laptops to small appliances. Compatible with Jackery's portable solar panels, allowing you to harness solar energy to recharge the unit. Makes it an eco-friendly solution, especially for extended outdoor adventures. Ensures safety and efficiency by protecting against overcharging, short circuits, and overheating. Campstream One. The Campstream One takes entertainment to the outdoors with its portable multimedia projector. This compact device allows you to enjoy movies, music, and games under the stars, turning your campsite into an outdoor theater. It features wireless connectivity, making it easy to stream content directly from your smartphone or tablet. Designed for rugged use, the Campstream One is built with durable materials to withstand outdoor conditions. Its rechargeable battery provides hours of entertainment, and its compact design makes it easy to pack. Whether you're watching a movie with friends or playing music around the campfire, this gadget adds a touch of fun and creativity to your camping trips.